Today we're going to take word problems and we're going to make them into numerical problems. Now, anytime you have word problems, we look for key words. What are the key words that we have when it's an addition word problem? Increased. And guys, do me a favor. Don't just read off of your notebook, okay? Practice these in your head. Dakota. Combine. That doesn't mean you need to close your notebook, just don't look at it. Aiden.
Total.
Autumn.
Sum.
Donnie. Already have that? Landon.
In all.
Shayna.
I really.
Alyssa.
All together.
Wyatt.
How many more?
You got to be careful with that. Subtraction. Declan.
How many more?
Steph.
Differences.
Johnny.
How much less?
Dakota. Owen.
How many?
No, what?
Take one.
Alyssa.
How many left?
You said less or left?
Left.
Left? Okay. Sorry about that. I thought I said less. Dakota.
How many change?
Uh,
How much change?
Okay. Now, with adding and subtract, or with multiplying and dividing, they kind of go together. Okay? But there are a couple that is simply multiply or divide.
Each.
Well, that's going to go where that's going to be combined. Okay, let's look for specific ones for just multiply. Johnny?
Product.
The product.
One.
That's going to be for both.
A.
That's going to be for both.
One.
That's going to be for both. We can have this where we double it. If we double it, that means we're doing what? Multiplying it by 2. She's over in Mrs. Grunnen's room. Doubled it would be times 2.
What about tripled?
Tripled. What does that mean?
Multiplied by 3.
Times 3. Quadrupled would be times 4. Okay, things like that. Now, what are some words for specifically for dividing?
Quotient.
Quotient.
Split.
Go a little bit more. We could say split.
Split into groups.
Okay.
One third.
Possibly 1/3.
Switch.
No. How about half? What does half mean?
Divide by 2.
Divided by 2. Now, the keywords for multiplying or dividing combined would be each. If you see the word each, you know you're going to be multiplying or dividing. Or if you see words that mean the same as each, such as a, 1, things like that, words like that will tell you that you're going to be multiplying or dividing. Now, when we have multiplying or dividing, there's 3 parts. You have the number of groups, you have the number in each group, thus there's the word each, and then you would have the total. If they tell you the number of the groups, or words that mean the same as groups, such as tables, classes, anything that is a group, if they tell you the number of groups and how many are in each group, can I give it to somebody? Okay. Or else check YouTube and you'll see I'll try to put it on there. Okay? So if we have the number of groups and we know how many are in each group, we know they're going to find the total, we're going to be multiplying. But if we go the other way, if they tell you the total amount and they tell you how many groups there are, or how many tables, how many classes, whatever that might be, and they ask you to find out how many are in each group, you're going to divide. If they tell you the total and tell you how many are in each group, or in each table, or in each classroom, and ask you how many groups there are, once again, you're going to divide. Okay? So that's what we're going to work on today. We're going to take word problems and we are going to make them into numerical problems. Now, let's say we have this problem. 7 minus 4. How else could we read this, make you see that problem, other than simply 7 minus 4? You can see it written how? Dakota?
In words.
Huh?
In words.
But I mean, what words would you say other than 7 minus 4? Wyatt?
7 decreased.
By?
4.
You can see it at 7 decreased by 4. How else?
What is left after you take away 4 from 7?
Okay, 4 from 7. So we have 7 minus 4. You said what, Wyatt?
Decrease.
7 decreased by 4. Alyssa, you said?
How many are left after you decrease?
Well, there we had the decreased once again.
After you take 4 away from 7.
So, 4 from 7.
What is the difference between 7 and 4?
The difference of 7 and 4. Landon?
Can we put it into like an actual word problem?
Now.
Okay. 7 take away 4.
Yep.
How many are left when you take 7 or 4 away from 7?
4 away from 7. 4 from 7. How about 4 less than 7? Okay? So, this one problem could be written at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways. Or I should say, let me switch around. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different ways that we could say this particular problem. Okay? And so that's what we're going to work on today. They're going to give you these types of problems, and they're going to ask you to write the numerical problem that goes with it. Okay? Get out your boards real quick.